This is the 1x1 fully automatic record player, HiFi vinyl turntable with automatic repeat function, bookshelf speakers, remote control, built-in Phono preamp, and DSP. It has the AT3600L cartridge, belt drive, 2-speed. There's a little bit that you have to do when you first get this. You're going to have the plate under here that you're going to have to attach. You got to attach the belt there, and you're going to have to attach the hinges. It's got the real wood look on this. The turntable itself is shock absorbent. It has Bluetooth. It's automatic. One thing when you're first using this, the arm's going to be locked. It's going to have some stuff wrapped around. You're going to have a protector on here. Make sure you take those off, and also remember to turn on the power in the back. Now I'm going to put a record in so you can see how cool this is. I'm going to use the controller here, and let's go ahead and let this run for just a second. On the side here, you're going to see the switches. You can turn from 33 to 45s and from 7-inch to 12-inch. They even give you the 45 adapter. I can't tell you how good these speakers sound. Now, if you're an audiophile, you may be like, you're crazy. These aren't as good as my $10,000 speaker. You're correct. But these sound really good. The sound that you get from a record is so much different than you find from the stuff you download online. Maybe you remember CDs. It just has a better sound. You're going to get 36-month warranty. It has a 90-day return policy. So if you're looking for a record player, maybe you've been thinking about it, you are going to be happy with this 1x1 record player.